So today guys, we're here in the Macquarie Pass. We're gonna go to Jump Rock and have some fun.
It's gonna be so good. This jump is pretty big. Not as big as our Mermaid Pools video, but it is still daunting. Who are these guys? Mitchell is making his debut in Ethnosphere Collectors Day, and Tyler, you're making your return. It seems like you only come hang out with us when you need to do a jump.
Yeah, I'll get stitched up.
Let's rock.
I feel like a lion, I'm so strong. Bring me the legacy, I'm so fun. I feel like an energy is going inside my mind. Hey, see, I'm so fun. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe. I know we'll let it show. Come on, let me breathe.
Mitchell's done this track once before, right?
No, I've done it about three
times? Okay, but your most recent time you encountered a snake, right?
Yes.
So
the one between my legs, unfortunately.
But this one was a wild one, right?
Yes. So I almost stepped on I think it was like some sort of python. It was blue.
It was blue? I didn't even know we had blue pythons here.
I don't know. It looked blue.
Blue diamond.
I got a photo. Yeah, blue diamond. That's it.
Oh, there you go. Holloman.
Blue diamond snake. Risked my life.
Just to get to Jump Rock. Was it worth it, but?
Oh, I didn't really have a choice in it. I looked down. It was between my legs, so you know.
The wild one, that is.
The one that got away.
Now let me breathe. Oh, let me breathe. I wanna feel the dance. I wanna feel the dance. Break it down, 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 feel the dance. J'ai rien à faire dans le rouge, j'ai tout à faire dans les moves. Je suis comme un naufragé. I feel like a diamond, I'm so strong. Bring me the legacy, I'm so fun. I feel like an energy, yeah, go inside my mind. Hey, see, I'm so fun. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe. I know we'll let it show. Come on, let me.
We're here, and I'm really keen for this dip because I'm hot AF. Ain't that right?
Yeah, boys.
It's gonna be cold. No, okay, let's go through everyone. So I've done the jump once. It's daunting.
I've done it once. It was horrible. I done it once and made sure everyone went first.
Many times, and it's great fun.
Yeah, but that's the King of Macquarie Pass. We can't deal with that.
So here we are, the highest ledge of Jump Rock, the notorious Jump Rock. This platform we're standing on here, and we're about to take the jump.
Let's now take the leap. I've only done it once, and my heart's racing again, but yeah, this is what the bucket list is for. It's so beautiful.
I've done it a few times, and it's always just as scary.
Reassuring. And there's a fear that this GoPro might get lost in the water, so we're gonna risk it.
Risk it for the biscuit.
I feel like an energy is going inside my mind. Hey, see, I'm so fun. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe. I know we'll let it show. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe. I feel like a diamond, I'm so strong. Bring me the legacy, I'm so fun. I feel like an energy, yeah, go inside my mind. Hey, see, I'm so fun. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. by day.
Dave's coming out and jumping off waterfalls like these are the best because you're just hanging out with some mates, just having a cracking good time. Let me light up. It's really dark. That's the issue what we've done here. It's now nearly night time. We've gotten out of Macquarie Pass right now. How was the jump, guys?
It was good fun.
Terrifying.
You did it faster than I thought you were gonna. I'll give you that.
Yeah, very.
And that brings us to an end. It's about how far do you reckon into Macquarie Pass it is?
Probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
20 minutes. It's not too difficult of a walk, and it is a really beautiful place to hang out with your mates. Ain't that right?
Watch out for snakes.
And if you go late enough, you walk back in the dark like we did.
That's why it's pitch black right now. See you guys next
Later.
week.
Bye.
I wanna see the dance.